Welcome to the 3-minute node where we cut the noise. We didn't start from an empty setup. We already run a robust system. We rely on top-tier nodes like ComfyUI Impact Pack, Easy Use, Control NetAux, Crystals, KJ nodes, and IP Adapter Plus. We keep our system clean. Yet, when we downloaded a new workflow, we still hit dependency hell. 15 unknown custom nodes broke everything. You found a pro-level ComfyUI workflow online, you downloaded it, and then dependency hell. 15 unknown custom nodes, Git conflicts, and now your ComfyUI won't even start. Sound familiar? It's a nightmare, but we're going to fix it. Today, we're diving into this typical mess. We're focused on this, the string multiline node. It's a custom node, and it's totally unnecessary. Why did the original creator use it? Every custom node is a risk, especially for simple tasks. We need to eliminate this dependency that breaks our setup. Here's the secret. ComfyUI has powerful built-in nodes that handle almost all basic text operations without a single extra dependency. Right-click, go to Add Node, and search for Primitive. This node is your core tool. When you connect it to a string input, it automatically becomes a simple single-line text box. But for that multi-line functionality, you don't need a custom node. ComfyUI gives you two native options, the single-line string node for brief text and the multi-line string node for complex prompts or scripts. We can now delete that broken custom node, replace it with the clean, native string node, and zero dependencies added. It just works. But what if you need more than just input? ComfyUI has string manipulation functions built in, usually within other specialized nodes. Look for nodes that handle specific text functions, like text concatenate to join two strings, or even text length to get a character count. You'll find functions for substrings and more, often bundled into popular extension packs that are stable and maintained. The point is, before installing a one-off custom node, always check the native options first. If a custom node's only job is a simple string input or function, it's a trap. Custom nodes are powerful, but they are also the #1 cause of dependency conflicts. For simple text input, the native string nodes are faster, cleaner, and dependency-free. I call on all creators and the community to join this movement. Let's champion minimalism in our workflows. Prune the unnecessary, achieve pro-level results with the fewest nodes possible, and make sharing reliable again. Help clean up the ecosystem. Stop watching. Start creating. And that's the node. All open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.